Experiencing problems with Tesco Mobile checkout? You're not alone. This section breaks down common issues like payment declined, 3D secure errors, and retry failures. These problems often arise from integrations with payment processors or app bugs. The good news is that Tesco Mobile has addressed many of these issues in app updates. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Tesco Mobile app. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with payment protocols like 3D Secure. If you're still facing issues, try restarting the app or your device. For payment declined errors, double-check your card details, available funds, and expiration date. For 3D Secure failures, ensure your authentication method is working correctly. If problems persist, move on to the next section for advanced troubleshooting. If basic steps don't resolve checkout issues, try clearing the app cache. A Reddit user from Tesco Mobile in March 2025 reported that this fixed persistent retry failures, and Tesco's support team now recommends this method. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable, as network interruptions can disrupt the payment process and cause failures. Consider using digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, as integration with these services may improve reliability over traditional card payments. Tesco Mobile has been adopting AI-driven fraud detection to reduce false positives, which can lead to declined payments. This machine learning process analyzes transactions in real time. Keep an eye out for app updates that improve payment processing and security features. If all else fails, contact Tesco Mobile's customer support for personalized assistance with your checkout problems. Industry experts emphasize that seamless retries are crucial for maintaining user trust in mobile commerce. Finally, be aware of peak usage times, such as during promotions like Black Friday, when server overloads can cause temporary checkout issues. By staying informed and proactive, you can minimize checkout failures and enjoy a smoother mobile shopping experience.